Hi, and welcome to the fifth part of this series about special relativity. In this section, we will show you how this self-contradiction in special relativity was introduced. Let's begin with several questions about light. Does the propagation of light need media or not? Is the motion of light relative or absolute? How do we interpret the result of the Michelson-Morley experiment? These problems are not easy to answer. Luckily, to disprove special relativity, we do not need to answer any of them. Let's take a look at relative motion again. The concept of relative motion is the key to our problem. The swimmer's speed has several readings. Relative to the water, it is c. Relative to the bank, it is c minus v when going upstream and c plus v when going downstream. These different speeds are the mathematical representations of relative motion. If light travels at the same speed in all reference frames, you can never see light speed as c minus v or c plus v, no matter which reference frame you are in. So the first equation, which is shown below, of special relativity is about relative motion. So now lies our contradiction. Light originally started from relative motion but ended with absolute motion. Halfway in Einstein's paper, the motion of light became absolute, as can be seen from the middle part of section 3, part 1. With the help of this result, we can easily determine the quantities xi, eta, and zeta by expressing an equation that light, as required by the principle of the constancy of the velocity of light in combination with the principle of relativity, is also propagated with velocity c when measured in the moving system. We now have conflicting requirements. The motion of light might be relative or absolute, but it can never be both at the same time. Since its contradiction requirements can never be met, the theory of special relativity must be wrong. To summarize this video, special relativity is a result of two errors. One, due to his wrong understanding of the first postulate, Einstein obtained the conclusion that light travels at the same speed in all reference frames. 2. And to make things worse, the above idea was not followed through. As a result, in special relativity, light had to start with a relative motion and end with an absolute motion, thus explaining why special relativity is self-contradicting. Following will be the references that we have used for this video.